Friday the 19th. This is a special report here, edition on stock market. Today we have, usually we don't have a video, but today the stock market did something more than which created a lot of issues with a lot of people and worries, and I just want to bring this to your attention, what is really happening here, so that you know and see everything in perspective, what exactly is transpiring here. The stock market had slow earnings from Google yesterday, as you know, which plunged the stock prematurely, and the earnings were leaked. And today it also fell apart. Then today, GE, McDonald's, and one more company, GE, McDonald's, and another company had bad earnings here. The slow earnings came in there, which really set the mode into a sell-off. Really, what happened here is that on these earnings, the market really got nervous, and so they start selling off. Basically, that's what was happening here. All these 3 days gains are gone, and we plunge 25 points here. Today we almost here. We were down about 25 points to the 50-day line. Now we're resting on that 50-day line, and this looks like a solid channel to me that we're going sideways motion here. We're getting overbought here a little bit, and now we are going to be a little bit traveling. Let's see if this 50-day moving average holds. And from the get-go, the market did not have a chance. Let's take a look at 5-minute chart on the S&P. This is the start of the day and Friday, and then it plunged right there, and it just kept on going down and down and down, a straight line, and it just went down here, getting shorted here, and then touched that 1430 and bounced really a little bit back, and then finished the day at 1433.19. Would we hold this 50-day moving average? We're gonna bounce. I have no idea, but I mean, the selling was pretty uniform all over the place. Let's look at NDX technology, which has taken the biggest hit here. It started dropping early in the morning, and it never ended up, and just finished the day at 26.78. This is NDX, which has 100 first technology stocks. Let's look at some of the stocks here, and we were going to let me pull this app here to the daily, and you can see what the daily did on it. It broke down below that 50-day moving average and is headed towards that 200-day. This is what NDX is doing. It has a little bit more to go. More likely it's going to hit that and then probably bounce. Everything just does not go straight. Apple, on the other hand, has earnings in October, and it broke that trend line here. If you want to see it close, it broke that trend line at 609, and the selling did not stop. The market clocked out, and most likely it's headed to this level here, which is the 200-day moving average. It has never touched that 200-day moving average except here, which was 1125 a year ago. So I mean, it may touch that, it may not even go there, but we just have to see. This is the daily chart, 5-minute chart, and Apple was at 652 on Wednesday, and it dropped 30 almost 40 points in 2 days and hit that 609 low. It broke that support here, which was this trend line, and this was a support channel that we have made, and it broke at 624 and is now at 609. PCLN, which is the other stock which we have a position, also dropped here to, from the very get-go, from the very beginning of the minutes, within 15 minutes it was down 20 points, and it hardly recovered, but it did not manage to go below 560, because now we're sitting 560. If you look at it on the daily chart here, you're looking at it, we were sitting right exactly where we were in August, and we chose that position here in August low, so that even there was a remote chance, there was a 1 standard deviation away chance, but it definitely hit that. And would it hold here and solidify, or is going to plunge further? That remains to be seen. There's a little VIX here in the body, but this candle does not tells me that this is reversal here. There's no signs of reversal yet on that stock, so it may keep on plunging slightly more than that. The next stop should be around 500 or something, 550. Let's see what it does. But this market has sold off pretty hard today on all fronts, and we just have to see what Monday will bring and what that will be. Hopefully we may recover some.